Hello friends, this is Alexey. With the snowy winter we have this year in my region, I'm glad to enter the last month of it, and looking forward to spring sunshine in just 4 weeks. For now, let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Toshiba Electronic Devices and Storage Corporation has launched two silicon carbide MOSFET dual modules, with a voltage rating of 1200 volt and drain current rating of 600 amps, and with a voltage rating of 1700 volt and drain current rating of 400 amps. The new modules have mounting capability with widely used silicon IGBT modules. Their low energy loss characteristics meet needs for high efficiency and size reductions in industrial equipment, such as converters and inverters for railway vehicles and renewable energy power generation systems. Fuji Electric has made a decision to carry out capital investment in Fuji Electric Tsugaru Semiconductor, one of its power semiconductor production bases, for an increase in the production of silicon carbide power semiconductors. Mass production is planned to begin in fiscal 2024. In a 5-year medium-term management plan ending in fiscal 2023, Fuji Electric announced that it will carry out capital investment totaling 120 billion yen toward power semiconductors. Although its capital investment currently focuses on front-end process production lines for 8-inch silicon wafers, an amount of investment in power semiconductors, including this investment in silicon carbide power semiconductors, is expected to expand to 190 billion yen, set against conditions of increased demand for electrified vehicles and renewable energy. South Korean gallium nitride epi wafer startup IVWorks acquired SAINT-GABAIN'S gallium nitride wafer business. SAINT-GABAIN in France and some Japanese material companies such as Sumitomo and Mitsubishi are leading production technology of gallium nitride wafers. With the acquisition of the gallium nitride wafer business from SAINT-GABAIN, IVWorks has acquired state-of-the-art technology for mass production of 4- and 6-inch gallium nitride wafers. IVWorks is the sole South Korean enterprise specializing in semiconductor materials that has successfully mass-produced gallium nitride epi wafers of 4, 6, and 8-inch. It has to its credit the in-house development of the world's first epi wafer production technology integrated with an artificial intelligence production system. The pioneering startup has also recently installed a 12-inch production facility for the first time in South Korea. Wolfspeed is to create around 40 new jobs in Belfast and Northern Ireland by 2025. Most of the roles will be located at the company's new global IT services hub in Belfast, which is due to open in February. Wolfspeed has already begun recruiting for the first wave of new workers. The company is looking to fill roles in core IT operations and services such as infrastructure, network operations, system engineering and application development, along with cybersecurity and compliance. Its new Belfast hub will help with IT support and will also be a center of excellence for automation engineering and data analytics, leading the company's digital transformation to high-tech manufacturing. In addition to the center in Belfast, the company will have hybrid home and office roles for applicants from all parts of Northern Ireland. JAC Group announced that its subsidiary JAC Parts has recently established a semiconductor joint venture with CRRC Times Electric, with a registered capital of 300 million yuan. The new company will mainly focus on new energy vehicle-independent IGBT technology research and development and industrial applications. The project is planned to be settled in JAC Intelligent Connected New Energy Vehicle Industrial Park with a total investment of about 463 million yuan. The investment will be divided into 2 phases. The planned production capacity of the first phase is to produce 300,000 automotive IGBT modules per year, and it is planned to be put into operation in 2023. The planned production capacity of the second phase is to produce additional 300,000 automotive IGBT modules, and it is planned to be put into production in 2025. Application samples allow power electronics developers to test their Semikron devices even faster. Along with the corresponding reference designs, application samples reduce prototyping effort, allowing for reduced time to market. This Semikron webinar provides an overview of available application samples and how they benefit power electronics development. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more power semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.